While my carrots are blanching, I just wanted to tell you all that if you have not seen the video on the Superb canning lids and the comparison between the Superb jars and the other jars that are on the market, I suggest you go and watch those, and be sure and look under this video and you'll find a link for 20% off on those products. The Superb canning lids have this blue sealing, the rubber seal on them, and of course they're gold and they say Superb, but that seal is the best seal that I've ever used, or at least in many, many, many years. And the Superb canning lids are smooth like this, but they do say, you can see on the bottom, they say Superb, and they're heavier than the other jars on the market now. So go check that out if you need jars or canning lids. And also, the Superb lids come in the 12 dozen packs like this. You get a better price on them. And if you're like me and I'm canning all the time, I'll go through 12 dozen real fast. I will say this, I am an affiliate of Superb, but those of you who have followed me since the early Facebook page days will know that I went through a lot of different kinds of canning lids, especially during COVID, trying to find decent lids. And just to be honest with you, I split my hands on the 4 jars lids, and the ball lids got so cheap that they would buckle so easy. And so when I found Superb, I didn't wait for them to call me. I called them about offering you all a discount because they're the best. I mean, you can hear them pop all over the house, and when you open them, it's the same way. You don't get that. I mean, I've got jars on my shelf right now, and I probably will do a video at some point to show you what I'm talking about. Jars that are other brands that you wonder if they're actually still sealed. But the Superb lids, you will never wonder if they're sealed because you'll get that distinct pop when they open.